Won't ekhuluma njengamanje? Igolo.
But I warned you to not fall in love with me.
But it's not my fault that I love you.
Out of 100, we have 30% chances of surviving this.
Just don't.
Wena lalela. Because you don't know how it feels like to face death.
And who said I don't?
Just say it, Ma. Just say that I might die. Khumbula ukuthi that boy is not just any boy. He is everything to me. Deep down in my heart, I am married to him. He is my husband. He is the light in my darkness. He is the life to death. Angidingi mina yonke lento. Ngimthanda ukudlula imisipha yegazi, ithanda igazi. Ngimthanda ukudlula inhlanzi, ithanda amanzi. Ngimthanda ukudlula isibhakabhaka, sithanda inyenzi.
Love and fear. Umasaba, we pull back from life. And when we are in love, we love with everything and we love openly, with passion, excitement.